What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, we're going to open up this Casio. This is the Casio, I forget, LF-20W. Sorry about that. Yes, the LF-20W, which kind of reminds me of the Casio Royale with all of its different modules. So, really cool. Walmart was having a clearance this week. At least in my area, and they had a bunch of these iconic Casios that everybody talks about on these watch channels on YouTube. They had a bunch of them on clearance, and this was one of them. So this normally went for like 35 to 40 bucks, down to 21.92. Not a bad price at all. So we're gonna remove the film off of that. That's a beautiful, beautiful watch. I love this thing so much. Sorry, I just hit the camera on accident. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and snip off their anti-theft thing. I think it's just, a plastic zip tie. Go ahead and snip that off. And then we will pull this off the stand. Just like so. There's a stand with the paperwork. Not going to need any of that. So I'm going to go ahead and toss it in the trash. And let's get a better look. Now, I'm not crazy about this strap. I will probably replace the strap. I believe it's 18 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. It's just kind of flimsy. I don't know. It's just, I'll put it on and we'll try it off, obviously. Or try it on, obviously. But I may end up replacing the strap on this, as I do most of my watches. So you guys know I'm a fan of the Walkie brand of straps. So very nice. Let's set the time real quick in the day. Go into mode. Oh wow, I love animation. Sweet. It's different modes. I really love the screen of this. This is a really nice screen, really crisp. As you can see, alarm off, timer. All right, so here's time 1, and we're going to adjust. I'm so glad I threw the instructions away, because now I'm like, maybe I should have not done that just yet. What's off mean? T1. Okay, so I need to not hit adjust after I initiate. Bruh. There we go. Okay. Sydney. What's NOU? I don't know. I don't know these. LAX. Denver. I'm getting close to me now. Mexico. Chicago. Okay. We're going to leave it at Chicago. Okay. So it is 1:58. Oh, crap. I went backwards. 1:58. I like that you can go back and forth. That's pretty cool. Not the easiest buttons to press. I guess it's a good thing. Okay. 12-hour, yes. Okay, it is not 2011. 2026. It is 1. It is the 6th. Light, we'll set that to 3. There we go. It is now set to the right time and the right day. Very cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this band. It's okay. It's soft, I'll give it that, but I'm going to get a Walkie band for it. And there it is. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Love this watch already. Let's check out the back light. Yeah, it's going to be hard to see for you guys, but it's working. I got it set to 3 seconds. Yeah, you guys can't see it at all, not in this light box. You can kind of see it. Anyway, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I will link this below if you're interested in buying this yourself. And if I can find more than just white or whatever. It's kind of an off-white. Yes, maybe even cream. Anyway, I will link this one below. And if I can find other colors, I'll link them below as well. Thank you so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Very cool. Very cool.